So folks, today we're going to clear up some misconceptions about the Type-S shifting and manual shifting. So a lot of people are saying that, oh, it doesn't hold the gears. You have to, just deal with it how it is. Not actually true. So right now I'm in drive mode. Of course, the transmission has two modes, drive and sport, right? So drive is the everyday, fuel efficient, use all the gears mode that the Type-S has. So, as you're driving, you can obviously override at any time, downshift into the gear you need. But as you'll notice, after a short period, it goes back to drive, because that mode just lets you override to like pass or downshift if you're cornering or something, but it will shift itself back to the optimal gear once a small period of you being aggressive has passed, and that's it. Now if you hit the shift button and switch it to sport mode, now I can control the gears by just manually hitting either of the paddles. So I'm going to downshift, and you'll see now I'm in 6th gear, and I can stay in this gear for as long as I want, within reason, of course. Obviously, if you come to a stop, it will, not let you along with the engine, so it'll automatically shift down to first again if you slow down to a stop. But provided you, maintain the speed, you'll be able to stay in that gear as long as you want. Now, when you hit red line, it will shift for you, of course. But why are you driving a red line? Aside from, making those stupid videos on YouTube of people, slapping the red line and, damaging their engine. But race car drivers don't bounce off the rev limiter. They shift at the red line. And if you have a shift light in your car, like a drag car, the shift light will tell you to shift at the red line. So nobody's bouncing off the limiter, because there's just no reason to do that. So as you can see, I've been in 6th gear for quite a bit on the highway, maintaining a pretty decent speed. So I'm going to downshift now to 5th. This is where you would get all your power on the highway. And if I punch it, you can see it's still in 5th. Now, I didn't hit red line, so it didn't automatically upshift for me. Upshift. I can do that myself. But for right now, I can maintain this gear. Now, it won't let you blow the engine, so I can't shift into like 3rd gear. Obviously, it won't let you. And as you can see, if I try to go to 4th, I just crossed the threshold, but you saw it blinking temporarily, meaning that it was, too low of a gear, and it was risking over revving the engine. So it won't let you, damage the car by shifting, to money shift it, right, and blow your transmission, blow your engine. But in terms of holding the gears, you can do that as much as you want.